Hello class, I am in chapter 7 and I'm going to talk about when archivists measure by cubic feet and when archivists measure by linear feet. When archivists receive collections, they survey them to see what's in the collection. They do a preservation survey to see if any items in the collection needs any work or is damaged, needs some repairs, and they are going to be in the process of describing them and then rehousing them. That means taking them out of the storage boxes and putting documents in folders, sleeves, and depending on the kind of documents, they may have buffered paper between documents so that acid from inks don't migrate through to other documents. So it actually expands the collection. So when we process archival collections, before we process them, we measure by cubic feet. Cubic feet means the bulk of the collection, how large it is bulk-wise, height, depth, width. And we know that when we start rehousing them into archival boxes and acid-free folders, acid lignin-free folders, or getting special pamphlet housing materials, all kinds of stuff that we use, it's going to expand that collection. So if you have, for example, 8 storage boxes worth of materials, I'm pretty sure that when you're done rehousing, it may end up being twice as large. But certain at a minimum, maybe a half larger. But certainly it could be as much as twice as large. So the collection behind me that is almost done being processed, initially were housed in about 28 storage boxes. And if I put them unprocessed in archival boxes, they might have taken probably 42 linear feet, the length of the collection. But instead, they're going to take probably 82 linear feet of collection space. So, which leads me to what linear feet means. Linear feet means when a collection is finished, processed, and rehoused, how much space will it take on the shelf, and that is linear feet. So, cubic feet is what we measure before a collection is processed, so we know how large it will grow based on the rehousing materials we get. We need to understand that. So when we think we need 500 folders, I can assure you probably need 1,000. So when I bought folders for this collection, the Maine State Library provided funds for this collection. I believe I bought, I want to say, 2,000 folders. And I'm sure it's 2,000. I don't have the receipt with me at hand, but I think I ordered 2,000 acid lignin-free folders. And I'm already down to the last 2 boxes of 100 folders each. And I'm almost done. That's how accurate cubic feet measurement and rehousing materials and determining how it's going to grow just space-wise. And then once I'm done, I then measure linear feet. How long is that collection going to be? So I know how much space will take on the shelves. Because certainly the Maine State Library is going to need to know that in preparation for the day that I transfer this collection to them. And that's pretty much it. Cubic feet versus linear feet.